away from
Yeah, how's that get here?
No,
I
you
should
stay
have
right
learned my
here. You're
lesson
right.
back 2 times
Sit.
to pick up my water.
That's you.
Nice. Bring your tree hand up. Okay, that was
Very
beautiful.
nice.
Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to do it again,
Okay.
but I want your tree hand a little bit more right in the middle of your abdomen, not so
Okay.
much over her nose, okay? Because if she's doing it, she's sitting, she's doing her thing. It's a lot of lure, and I want to take that lure out of it just a little
Sure.
bit, see how she does.
Okay. Addie, sit. Addie.
Oh, she ate
She's
whatever
like
that
a
was.
little
I'm sure it was something Karen dropped.
I think it was a piece of fuzz.
See, I'm still Karen.
It's still good. 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 Reward. Bring your hand back up. Reward. Slow. Nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yep.
That was
See?
Good
that's
girl.
that prance.